In today's video, I will guide you on how to enable parallel downloading on Google Chrome. This accelerates download speed on your Chrome browser. This is very simple, guys. In 30 seconds, you are good to go. So come to the search bar, type in Chrome //flags, then hit the enter button. Once you hit the enter button, you have yourself at this place. You have tons of experimental activities here. Then in this place, type in parallel download and it brings you to this interface. And in parallel download to accelerate download speed, it's available on Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS and Android. So if you use Android on any device, then this settings is available. Then click on this default setting here button here, then click on enable, then click on relaunch to make this setting available on your device. So that's all, guys. You've been able to enable parallel downloading on your Chrome browser on PC. If you enjoyed this tip, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.